Hey EMV fam, and welcome back to another video. I hope you are all doing really well, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a prank that I have never done before. I'm going to be doing the coughing up blood prank. I have this little like face mask here, and this stuff literally looks like blood. Like, tell me that is not literally blood. Like, genuinely it looks like blood. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. This is honestly like the most real looking thing, and I thought if I put some already like ready in a tissue, I'm gonna go downstairs and pretend to be like making lunch and just chit-chatting to Ben, like just normal talking, and then say that I don't feel very well, which this is literally planned perfectly because last week or so, like a week and a half ago, I've literally been so ill, which is why we didn't post last week, but I have been really ill with just like a really bad cold. But I thought this is like perfect because I still have a bit of a cough, so this is gonna be perfect for like coughing up blood, because it's just gonna be even more real that I've been really ill with my cold, and then now we're gonna be coughing up blood. So yeah, Ben is currently downstairs. I think he's watching YouTube or something, and yeah, I thought we could go set the camera up really discreetly downstairs and yeah, get Ben's reaction to me coughing up blood. I actually have no idea how it's going to react because I've literally never done a prank like this. Like, this is quite like a serious thing, do you know what I mean? Like, it's not just like a cute thing, like it's actually a very like serious thing. So yeah, also if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You guys have literally been showing us so much love over here on YouTube recently, and honestly it means the absolute world. We've just hit 150,000 subscribers, which we are so grateful for, and we love each and every one of you. But yeah, let's go and get on with this prank. I'm gonna do this here. I've got a cotton wool paper because I have a feeling this will like soak this up like a little bit better. So let's just take a little bit of this, and we're just gonna like put, oh my god, did you see that? It literally looks like blood. What on earth? I think we put a little bit into like an actual tissue because I can just take this downstairs with me. I want to make it like dark red. This is my thing. I want it to be like quite like dark red. Right, I think that's actually quite good. Like, imagine I've coughed that like and then that looks so real, doesn't it? Oh my god, right. I don't really know what I'm doing with this. Maybe we don't need that. Maybe we'll scrap that and we'll just use the tissue because tissue's a little bit more like of a real thing. Right, I'm gonna go take this downstairs. I'm just gonna have to like take it down quite like discreetly, and just like pop this on the side. But yeah, let's go set you up downstairs. What are you doing? Oh. I don't know where the ones that I drew on are. Are they out there? Oh, you got more golf balls.
Yeah, but for, like, these are pretty clean.
Where are they from?
My bag.
Oh.
Like my actual just golf bag.
Yeah.
Not the actual bag upstairs.
Yeah.
They need a little bit of a clean.
Yeah.
But
are you going to draw on them?
I think so.
Let's get the pen.
Yeah, marker them up. That's 3 more.
Still coughing, aren't
Got all 3 different balls, but
here you go. These are the only ones that I've got.
Well, they need a little bit of a clean first.
Oh.
Get up and play with.
They're not all Sharpies in here.
Yeah. That's alright.
There's a few.
Now the blue one. It's at the
Yeah.
back. See it.
Yeah.
What should I draw on it?
I think that's all of the Sharpies, because that's red one, it's not a Sharpie. Draw like the flowers like I did.
Set the need cleaning first.
The
Especially
pink
this
one.
Them 2 definitely need cleaning. This one might be fine. It's got a little bit of yellow on it though, that's the only issue.
Can I just literally just...
We've already tried to mark this one.
Oh.
Well, I bet it's my dad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a tiny bit of yellow on it. It's like smudge though, so I reckon it'll just come off. Just
Yeah.
marker it.
I'll try and clean this one a little bit.
How do you do it? How did you do it? You did...
I can't get rid of this cough. It's making me feel a bit ugh. Yes. No, you're not having your dinner yet.
I don't know if that's how you do it.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that'll be fine. How did you do it? Oh, okay. I think I know.
Excuse me. Oh, have I left that open? Oops. Oh, move out the way.
Move out the
Before
way.
I tread on you. Oh, it feels good.
Doesn't feel very well.
I don't know why I can't just get rid of this cloth. It's just not coming. It's just dry.
Yeah. It's no good, is it?
I'm just going to feed the doggies though.
We have got a car. I'm not sure if this pink pen's working too well.
No.
Did you find the pink one not work too well?
No, one of them's alright, one of them's a bit bad.
Have you drunk a lot of water or no? Have you drunk much water?
I drink a bit.
You drink
I'll
some
get a
more?
little glass now.
Oh, I've done a nice little flower on it.
Yeah.
Look at that flower.
Let me see. Oh wow, oh, you look just doing the same what I've done. Why don't you put some blue ones on it? And green.
Oh, that is a nice little flower. Yeah, I might put another one. You alright?
Yeah.
I'll do it. Right. Go here. You sure you're alright? Are you okay? Babs, you're coughing up blood. Come and sit down. Come and sit down on the sofa. Babs, that's awful. You okay? You okay? Drink some water. That's really dark blood. Put your head in the sink. Try that. Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
Should we get that in the bin?
Yeah.
You want... Right, I'll lift the bin up. Put that in there. You okay?
I told you I can't get rid of
Are
it.
you coughing up blood or is like your mouth bleeding?
I don't know.
Drink some water.
Ugh.
Make sure to drink some water.
Yeah. You're lightheaded.
Go on, yeah, go on, sit down on the sofa.
I'm really lightheaded.
Come on.
Wait,
go to
just
the
give me
sofa.
1 sec.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm not going to
I'll be
faint or anything, are you?
No.
Right, let's go to the sofa, yeah?
Yeah. You keep doing that.
What, should we send... We'll just go take him over there if you want.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my water with me.
Alright, come on then. I'll take you this over. Take all the sharpies over. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is your mouth bleeding or are you coughing up blood?
I'm not sure.
Because if you're coughing up blood, that's a bit worrying. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So, come on.
Let
Let's
me
sit
just
down.
do this little bit.
Go put your water over here. You okay?
Yeah.
What's that? Are you coughing up more blood? Are you coughing up more blood?
Only a little
No,
bit.
no, that's a lot. You shouldn't be coughing up that much blood. Come on, sit
Can you put
down.
that in the bin?
We need to go to the doctors. We might have to go to the like,
I feel
emergency.
really lightheaded.
That's awful, isn't it? Come on, sit down. Come on. Come on, sit down. Sit on there. Drink some water. Do you want me to go get your phone so you can sit down here for a bit?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be quick.
I think it's upstairs in my room.
Get out. On the desk.
Yeah. I've got a bit more blood. I'm gonna move the camera.
I've got your phone. Yeah. Try and sit back.
No.
There's mine. Put that over here. You okay? Are you still coughing up blood? Do you think we need to go to the...
I think it's all out now.
Do you think we need to go to the
Is my mouth bleeding?
hospital? No. There's no blood in your mouth. Do you think we need to go to the hospital? She should not be coughing up that much blood. Should we go? She now will be. Come on. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You okay?
I'm fine.
What are you doing? Chill out. Chill out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Trying to touch Phil?
No.
I'm trying to do that.
Bake cupcakes?
You're not going to bake cupcakes now, are
Why?
you? You were just coughing up blood.
I wasn't.
You was.
I'm fine.
That's disgusting. Go put it in the bed. Do you want me to go put it in the
Does
bed?
that look like the colour of blood? Now it's gone like that.
No. Yeah, there's nobody here. Alright. Yeah, there's no blood in your mouth either. I literally said that. I just thought it would have cleared away with like saliva.
No. Go with
So
that.
you're fine, aren't you?
In the window.
Oh, it's that. Yeah, great.
It was just this.
I'm going back to drawing on the golf balls now.
What more important things?
Yep.
Right guys, that is the end of this video. We really hope you have enjoyed me pranking Ben once again because Team Ella is just clear at the moment. Literally
Definitely
clear.
not. Hashtag Team Ben in the comments, guys.
Nobody's putting it. Literally.
Everyone's putting it. What are you talking about?
No. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe and comment the word cough.
Cough. Shout out in the next video.
And yeah, we will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.